My dear architects, interior designers and all customers, it is my pleasure to present you the fantastic solution of the current problem that we are currently facing in interior materials. I mean the plywood that is being used currently in the industry. Are you all not fed up with the problems that you face with even best quality of the plywoods? The kind of problems that you face are known to everyone. Everywhere around, everybody knows, and there is no dispute about it, that you, with the plywoods, you face downgoing quality, the thickness variation, the bending and warpage of plywood, the termite problem, the powder problem, the water resistance problem. There are problems with plywood, and especially so with the product being wood based, and it is a direct wood based product which goes to cut the trees, and therefore we are degrading our forests. Plus the land and wood therefore being so scarce that the manufacturers of the plywoods are forced to use inferior quality of woods, and they are forced to accommodate wide variety of different species of woods in the same plywood, and therefore there is a very different behavior by the different species incorporated in one single sheet of plywood, and therefore you have all these problems which I narrated before: the warpage, the cracking, the bending. And not only that, this quality of plywood makes the life of the laminate also miserable, because ultimately laminate is pasted on the plywood, and if plywood is bending and warping tremendously, then naturally the face is the laminate, and therefore the laminate gets cracked. But the blame always comes to the laminate. So anyway, to narrow it down to the problem, that all of us need a solution of a plywood. You need a different material which is overcoming all the problems of the plywood. I am glad to say that at Sundeck we have a fantastic solution to this problem. The result? The Sunpacked compact laminates. The Sunpacked laminates are a marvelous product in replacement of plywood. The best thing to start with is that they are factory laminated, and therefore you can immediately cut and use it, saving time, saving labor, and it is an integral quality. You don't need to think about problems in the pasting of laminate to plywood and the bubbles which are following. With the compact, they are factory laminated, and there is no question of any bubbles of any sort. Further, they are completely termite proof. There is no question of powdering, and this product is a lifelong, I would say more than a lifelong, it is generations lifelong. Maybe 2 or 3 generations will pass, but the compact will stand as it is over there, and nearly indestructible product. Plus it is completely water resistant, and there are no such problems as I have listed earlier about the plywoods. So there is no problem in applying these products, and I am happy to say that Sundeck is in a process of coming up with hardwares suitable for the application of compact laminates, because compact laminate is a high density product, and so the product is heavier than plywood, and therefore it needs a different set of hardware fittings, and we will be soon coming with these hardware fittings. But at the same time, I suggest to go for this product as many places as possible, especially in the places where you have water resistance problem, you have a termite problem, then these are the very immediate product to be used in those applications. But anyway, a general replacement is really worth for this advantages that I have listed. I thank you very much for your cooperation and your support and your love, and we hope that you will continue the same. Thanking you, and we will continue to give you more and more innovative and best solution products. Have a nice time.